this into the dirt somewhere. Out of my stink profile. We're going to be dealing here today with some rats. These rats here are getting underneath the foundation gap as they had removed old sidewalk that was layered up, and then they left ground, allowing an open access point for the rats. We were here a couple of weeks ago. We started up an external program to help drop population numbers. And now today we're going to get back in here. We're going to do some digging, and we're going to seal off the area and put a one-way door to allow these animals to get out. As we can see here, these guys are going in and out and causing a muck all through the homeowner's house. We got one little guy here that's been taken out, and we've got another one here. So, by setting up the bait boxes, we've already started to drop their population. Now we got to do some work and seal them up, let them out of the house, and make sure they don't get back in. Got it all dug out. As you can see here, there's some skunk issues in the past. We're going to have to switch that over to pest-proofing. So we've got everything dug out, sealed up, one-way door, all ready to go.